Bangladesh 116, request DME from Chattogram Golf.
22 DME outbound Bangladesh 116.
Bangladesh 116, maintain this frequency, report reaching 140.
Repeat, maintain this frequency and will report reaching 140 Bangladesh 116.
Arabia 520 level passing now.
Arabia 520 passing level 107.
Arabia 520, continue descent 4000 after Diakit, proceed to Kafkok on QNH 1002.
QNH 1002, continue 4000 after Diakit Kafko. Arabia 520.
Check.
Correct, yeah. Check. So it says here runway 23 offset by 1 degree at the RMP.
Okay.
Yes, please. Up at descent.
GPS primary accuracy high. So runway 23.
Yeah.
Radio set. Nice status. Project please.
Yep, go ahead, why not?
Battle ref.
To be set 1002.
Yeah, we'll be let's wait to the
Okay,
transition.
sure.
Yeah, better.
I just put 1000 feet. Very low.
Over to Chattogram, bye-bye.
Welcome to Shahamanet International Airport, Chattogram. ATIS information, November. Time of observation, 1300 UTC. Runway in use, 23. Surface wind, 210 degree, 3 knots. Visibility, 7,000 meters. Weather, NSW. Cloud, few 1,800 feet, scattered 10,000 feet. Temperature, 29 degrees Celsius. Dew point, 25 degrees Celsius. QNH, 1002 hectopascal, or 29.59 inches of mercury, or 752 millimeters of mercury. Weather trend, no SIG. End of information, November. Have a safe flight.
Chattogram, Hercules 1022.
Hercules 1022 to Chattogram Tower.
Naka is handed over to you. We are presently 30 miles short of Monica.
Hercules 1022 copied and confirm, like to touch and go.
Farm will carry out an RFP approach, touch and go, and just set code for Naka.
Hercules 1022 copied, expect RNP approach runway 23 and report Oneka, report ready for descent.
Russia call you ready for descent and Oneka, Hercules 1022.
So 116 level passing. Master 116 Chattogram level passing and request DME from Chattogram Golf.
DME 38, DME outbound, passing 108, Bangladesh 116.
Copied. Master 159 request DME.
34 DME, Bangladesh 159.
Master 159 copied, report over Chattogram Golf.
Call you over Chattogram Golf, Bangladesh 159. And sir, we have crossed the traffic visually below us.
Copy, sir. And back. Arabia 520 level passing now.
Arabia 520 passing level 067.
Arabia 520 copied, continue descent 3500, report Kafko.
3500, call you Kafko, Arabia 520.
3500.
Bangladesh 159er from a present position, direct Charlie X-ray Bravo approved. Report Abim Monica, Abim Chattogram Golf.
Direct Charlie X-ray Bravo, call you Abim. We're approaching Abim Monica. Call you Abim Chattogram Golf.
6,000 feet.
Bangladesh 159.
Master 116
check.
from a
Check
present
please.
position, proceed to
Battle
direct
ref.
admin.
QNH 1002.
Contact with air control 126.
Seatbelts.
On.
From present position,
Minimum.
direct at
Bravo
the
320 set.
two-way with Dhaka.
Auto brake
Master
off.
116.
Medium oscillator.
Normal.
So
Tuning
116,
complete. Thank you.
contact air control, good day.
Over to Dhaka control, good day, Master 116.
Chattogram Tower, November 935, released from Dhaka, 50 DME inbound, maintaining flight level 150.
Tower 935, copied, maintain route, initially report Oneka.
Callback Oneka, November 935.
Tank has started to reduce.
Check.
It's okay. It's okay.
They just now started with the lasers, okay?
Okay.
Eyes up on the right side.
Thank you.
Chattogram Hercules 1022 is 20 miles short of Oneka and ready for descent.
Hercules 1022, initially descend to flight level as 70.
Initially descent to 70, Hercules 1022.
Arabia 520, level passing now.
Arabia 520, passing 4,000 feet.
520, clear for the RNP approach, runway 23, descenders profile. Report all RIN.
Okay, clear RMP approach runway 23, descend on profile and call you all three. Arabia 520.
Okay, reducing.
Hercules
Clear for the approach.
1022, continue
Check.
descend to flight level as 60. Report approaching 60.
Continue descent to 60, call approaching 60, Hercules 1022.
November 935, confirm, like to proceed direct Charlie Extra Bravo from present position.
Will appreciate, sir.
November 935, from present position, direct Charlie Extra Bravo approved. Report Abim Oneka, Abim Charlie
Out.
Dongle.
Callback Abim, Oneka Abim, Chattogram Golf, November 935.
Okay, next 1800 preset.
Check.
Okay, 1800 Cavco.
Yeah, let's go.
Up and descent.
Check.
Okay, flaps on please, Captain.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Hercules 1022, continue descend 4000 on QNH 1002.
Continue descent 4000 on QNH 1002, Hercules 1022.
Positional green, runway set Arabia 520.
Arabia 520, report Kania.
Koyukani Arabia
Okay.
520.
Kanya. Up nav, Alpha Blue.
Check.
Flaps 2, please.
Speed check. Flaps 2.
Check.
Check.
Tower Bangladesh 159er, ready for descent.
Okay, space vanished.
Bangladesh 159, initially descend to flight level 900.
Descent to 900, Bangladesh 159er.
Arabia 520 position now.
1 mile to Kani Arabia 520.
520 surface wind 210 degrees, 08 knots, check gears down and log, runway 23, clear to land.
Get to land runway 23 Arabia 520.
Clear to land, copy.
Captain Sierra November 935, crossing
Go around 3,500.
310,
Check.
25 DME.
Nova 95, copy, report,
Gear down, please.
Golf, report, ready for descent.
Wilco 935.
Get to land, no?
Yes, sir.
Check.
Okay, flaps 3.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
And flaps 4, please.
Speed check. Flap full.
Landing checklist, please.
Landing checklist. Ika memo.
Landing no blue.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist complete. Clear to land.
Copy, thank you.
Master 159, level passing, radial crossing.
Crossing 240 and level passing 114, Bangladesh 159er.
Master 159, continue descent 70, report 20 miles out.
Report 20 miles out, Bangladesh 159er. Descent 70, Bangladesh 159er.
She's left, eh?
The what?
She's left of the runway.
Yes, it's
Slightly, right?
not aligned at always. Yeah.
Okay, 1,000.
It's
Stable.
a bit crosswind also.
I got that.
Not much, but.
Chattogram Hercules 1022, position on Eka, crossing 5000 for 4000.
Checked. Stable. Autopilot is off.
Check.
Hercules
FD is off,
1022,
please.
continue descent 3500, Onega to Kafko, report
to 9.
Kafko on QNH 1002.
confirm 1002, clear descent to 3500, next call Kafko.
We do the landing
Hercules
checklist?
1022.
We did landing checklist, correct?
Yep.
Copy 1002 QNH.
Say J228, okay?
Got it. Checked.
Checked.
Continue.
Checked.
Correcting.
That's good.
Correcting.
Yeah. Let's continue. Spoilers. Reverse rain. Diesel. Yeah, brake manual.
Copy.
Yeah, the second one.
Roger.
70 knots.
Checked. Okay, turning to the left.
Check.
Kitty Bravo Arabia 520.
Arabia 520, landed 54, bracket by Bravo to bay number 5.
Bravo by number 5 Arabia 520.
Let's go a bit slow, but to wait the 3 minutes.
Copy that. Okay, P5 is on the left.
Check.
Marshall is inside.
Check.
Bangladesh 159 approaching 70.
The landing check,
Control
please.
59 cockpit contact Cox's number.
Radar and operating winch.
Off.
Over to cockpit
Landing check
Bangladesh
complete.
159.
Chattogram Tower, November 935, crossing radial 275, 13 DME, ready for descent.
925, initial descent flight 190.
Initially descent, flight level 90, November
Okay,
935.
follow the line to 5.
Check.
Okay, turning to the right. Lights off, please.
So,
You need more time for 3 minutes?
no, it's gonna be exactly
Okay.
30 seconds. Check.
Break set.
Fuel on.
53, 56, yes please go ahead. Off.
Check.
Here, go ahead please.
That's done. Parking checklist, parking brake,
Parking brake set.
engines,
Off.
fuel pumps,
Off.
electrical pump,
Off.
parking check complete.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.